mark. That's going to be 10 seconds of blissful, no stimulation. So if he gets it open in that time, he wins. He's good, right? I have to figure out what I'm going to give you. I'll give you something. All right. After that, I'm just going to slowly just start ratcheting it up. Fair?
Fair.
All right. On your mark, you say the moment you pick that up, it's going to start. You start this time. All right. So whenever you're ready, go.
Jesus Christ. This is not the right size tensioner. Oh no. It's all over.
Tell me when.
It'll go off. Over.
Shit. That's...
Oh, so you should have stayed your shit. That's right. Call that.
Look at
his hands. Look at his hands.
The arms go.
Look at those muscles pulse.
You have, that's the one. Right there, so.
That's the one.
It's good stress inoculation.
That's good. Oh yeah, that feels great.
You can stop it whenever you want. You can stop it whenever you want. We'll think you're a bitch, but you can stop whenever you want.
Yep, I know that.
Give him a 2-minute hard stop.
Oh Jesus! I did go for a rake.
It's like an auto. It's like an electric rake now. Vibration not needed.
I will say that's an impressive kick you got there. How's it treating you?
Oh, it's treating me great.
Is it helping?
Oh, it's wonderful. I feel like I have an autoimmune disease.
What? What does that even mean?
I feel like my body's just falling apart.
Parkinson's. Let's just go with Parkinson's.
Parkinson's? Yeah, let's go with that one. Actually, you know what? I'm getting used to it. I'm like alright with this.
Which direction are you tensioning that long?
I tried both ways.
He doesn't even know what planet he's on. He just knows he's got
Fuck
the shapes.
this.
I think I'm getting used to it.
I'm getting used to it.
I wouldn't say that. He's going to crank it up.
Where's he at?
What number am I at?
20.
You're max.
But I lost it because I didn't set the timer.
Okay, so where are we at? I don't want to have him on more than 2 minutes.
No, this feels alright.
Probably about
This feels alright. I think I can handle it.
Give me a countdown.
I think I can handle this. Oh, the T-Rex arms.
I'm at 220 on my thing.
All right, time. Time. All right, hands up.
Fuck.
You can try it again, but see how your body responds to it after.
I'm feeling.
There.
You doing all right?
You know why? Because I don't want to take those off and have your fucking forensics all over it. Because you got them hairy arms.
You know,
Like forensics, you can have little handprints in his hair.
You're gonna have them too.
that'll wake you up in the morning. That's pretty good.
Hit that button. 2 more. Boom. All right, you're maxed.
You don't mind being in the video, right? Okay.
This phase.
Oh yeah, these aren't too bad. But wait till that fucking other one comes in.
Sports mode. Turn into sports mode.
It is sports mode.
Just leave it there.
He's got a few more seconds before.
A couple seconds. Oh, here we go.
There you go.
No.
Oh. Where's my drink?
Ooh, we got a couple of sets here.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
You are a gentleman and a scholar. Yeah, there we go.
Do that. It's like a superpower.
It's hard. You gotta fucking just.
Well, my body can take a lot of punishment.
You gotta work through it. It's brutal.
We're just going to leave that as that is.
I was going to leave that one alone. I encourage you all to do the same.
There's some good ones.
He dropped everything.
It's brutal. Just
Is it maxed at this
work
point?
through the steps. She can carry. Just take this.
No, we're good. We're good.
Take this and put it down. 'Cause that's where it's at. It's maxed. It sucks. Just work through that. That's what you.
Deve's got this. Deve's got this. I got faith in him.
I know. Yeah, another 15
I don't have
minutes.
that much faith.
Whoa, Jesus.
So he's finding his false sets only to lose them when it
Yeah,
changes the
when he
nose.
starts shaking.
Just watch
And
it.
the whole vice starts to run.
When you go in electro pick mode, come on.
Yeah.
Here we go.
Oh, open it?
Looking at it.
Oh.
Oh, he's controlling it. He's got it. Oh, he's fighting it.
Yeah.
Fight it.
You gotta fucking fight
Yeah,
it.
that's-
Got it.
You know, that's life.
Write
This
it
is a
out.
biological thing, okay? Not a willpower thing.
Jesus Christ.
I don't want to get back
Like, fuck you and horse. The negative Ghost Rider, the pattern is full.
He's like, I'll wear the fucking the wig.
No, pretty full on top too.
She ain't gonna happy probably.
So I missed it. Has somebody got it?
No.
No, it hurts.
This is even just hurting my thumb how hard I'm gripping this pick.
It hurts. You just gotta ride it.
I don't even think I could operate it with a key right now.
Story time here. Yeah, stuff bird, so that's good stuff. Yeah.
It's funny, it's so intense, it feels like this whole lock is electrified. You think,
3 minutes and 30 seconds, you're in.
really? I want to see if I can even use a key.
Hit it, quick, hit it.
Is that a working key?
Yeah.
Maybe? All right, I can use a key.
Open.
Any means of entry, right?
Oh, can I try bump key?
Breathe.
We got a bump key in here?
Not, we don't have a Schlage E. Can I go cut a key?
Wow, with this on.
With the shot.
Dude, if there's a Schlage E
Yeah.
blank, I want to go use the key.
I, as the mom in the room, will not allow you to cut a key with electrodes on your head.
I was about to say, this is gonna end terribly.
Yeah, the pack-a-punch. That's fine.
Oh, I can pack a punch a key, yeah.
I mean, the key, the result.
I will
might be
stay
entertaining.
attached. If
You can't pack a punch a E keyway.
Oh, you can box on the floor.
No, you can. I'm just giving him bullshit.
Yeah.
4 minutes.
It'll be an SC5.
4 minutes and 30 seconds.
Or an SC. What is it? What is the fucking E blank? Yeah. What is Kava call the E blank?
Got Schlagies over here.
Yeah, you got him?
Got your bald head
Alright,
in the video.
Where's the pack a punch?
You gave him the bad pack a punch with the tape on it.
I know. I was about to say, are we gonna correct him?
Well,
Or...
it's a bump key. It doesn't matter.
Get him the nice one. That one's not gonna work.
Where's the goddamn blank? How long?
You gotta find the blank.
Goddamn.
Hang on. I'm gonna turn one of the working keys.
Into a non-working key.
Yes. This is a good idea.
He can bump
This
it.
is the best idea ever. I have the best ideas.
That's something that always seems like a good idea at least 5 minutes.
Fucking Christ.
Remember to hold the top of the carriage.
Top of the carriage.
Not like that.
There you
Hey, don't put your
One
finger
more.
inside it.
go. Dial it. Hey!
This is so hard.
Couple more.
Come on.
Couple more. Fire blanks. Get it.
Do it.
There you go.
Oh, we're good here.
We're good.
This is like regular
Oh, yeah.
time
Oh,
now.
no, he's cruising now.
Okay. So we got a bump key.
It's a goddamn. Oh, you're bumping it?
Yes.
Oh, get it. Right.
Why else would you turn a working key into a bump key?
Just to admire it.
I thought he was doing the actual key itself.
Oh man, the tension modulation on that's gonna be hard.
How do you
For yourself?
Yeah.
You want a lightweight tensioner?
That casting.
Nice. I'll get it. I'll get it. Sure? That was the starkest bump I've ever seen in my life. Come on. Follow through. Get it. There we go.
It's something.
There we go. Come on.
Bum. That.
Do you,
Bump
want
it.
me, do you want me to put your castration?
Give me the castration.
Ah!
Take him off. Take him off. Take the poor guy off. All right.
What a master.
All right, thank you everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. As most of you know, I don't have a Patreon. I don't care if you like, share, subscribe. None of this whole YouTube thing really matters to me in the way it does to many other awesome creators who you should be following instead of me. But what I do have, because I like to give back to the community, is the old prize bin here. So we've got the Pelican case out again. And if you haven't seen how this works, is I pick an item, and then down in the comments below, you drop a comment, and you use a specific keyword. It's different each week, and it always is something tasty that goes inside of me. Today, well, let's see what we're choosing for first here. Ah! All right, quite the mismatch here. We've got a Claris case But inside of this is not a Claris flashlight. Inside of this is an old Surefire. Why the mismatch? Well, it's probably because I used to have this flashlight in my gear, and then I bought a Claris. So I didn't care about the case. I didn't care about the light anymore. You get them both together. And boy, she got some gravity in her, so I get to pay the shipping on that. I don't care, though. I make a decent living, and I like to give back to you all because I enjoy this community. So, what's a tasty thing that I like to eat? Fuck it. Sausage. All right, there you go. Use the word sausage in the comments. Try to... I don't care if you keep it clean. Who gives a goddamn, right? You do have to keep it respectful. No freaking kink shaming, none of that bullshit, because you can only win if your comment exists when I do the random selection via web script. If your comment is an asshole comment, you're out of here. But yeah, want to win a nice tactical flashlight? I'll even throw in the batteries, however much is left in her. Comment down below. I'll see y'all later. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there.